Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the Pan-African Mathematics Olympiad 2002. Problem number 1. We wish to find all functions going from the set of natural numbers into itself, whose minimum value is 1, and the following functional equation holds. F of n equals f of n plus 1 for all non-negative integers n. So my hints for this problem: use the information that the minimum of our function is in fact 1, which allows us to write that 1 equals f of n sub 0 when n0 is some number, and then put n equals n sub 0 and see the pattern emerging. So give the problem a try. It's not very difficult, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so I hope that you've managed to solve it. As I said, since minimum of our function is 1, there must be some number such that f of n sub 0 equals 1. Okay, and now what I will do, I will set n equals n sub 0. What happens then? Well, our equation in f of n sub 0, from our assumption is 1. So we get that f of 1 equals 1 plus 1, which is 2. And now I will set n equals 1. What happens then? If I put 1, I have f of 1, but f of 1 is f of 2. And on the right hand side, I have f of 1, which is 2 plus 1, and that is 3. Now I will set n equals 2. What happens? Well, on the left hand side, I have f of 2, which is f of 3, and on the right hand side, I have 3 plus 1, which is 4. And probably you see what's happening, you see the pattern. Namely, if you are not convinced, you can use induction. We see that f of n equals n plus 1 for every positive integer, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, but what about 0? What is f of 0? Well, notice that f of n is greater than 1 for n for positive integers, and we know that the minimum value, which is 1, is attained, but it's not attained by any positive integer. So the only option is that n sub 0 must be equal to 0, i.e. f of 0 must be equal 1. And now we have complete information about our function. Namely, our functional equation has only one solution: f of n equals n plus 1 for every natural number. And that closes our problem. So yes, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new this time, and see you next time. Goodbye.